Hello and welcome to 25 Linn Garden in Swannanoa, North Carolina. Check out this magical yard. Beautiful flowers abound, nice front porch. Gorgeous. Let's go inside and check it out. Inside, got this nice gas fireplace. Check out this living room, this decorative wall, and this beautiful stonework that surrounds the gas fireplace. Nice big open concept kitchen, living room, dining room. This house was built in 2018. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Here in the kitchen, check out these quartz countertops. And really nice spacious pantry there. We'll head on down the hall. Here on our right, we've got bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom. A little linen closet there. Then we have bedroom number 2, currently being used as an office. Check out this fairly good sized closet here. And this is the hall bath. And through here we find the primary bedroom, coffered ceiling, adjacent bathroom, double sinks. And through here we have the walk-in closet. Lovely soaking tub and very large walk-in shower. And we'll head back through the kitchen, dining area. And now, the best room in the house. Gorgeous deck, covered on this portion, very private. We've got a huge hot tub, room enough for you and probably 7 of your friends. Little grill spot over here. 7-foot privacy fence. Just a beautiful yard. The grass is beautiful. Lots of ornamental trees, plants, shrubs, perennials.